In Excel, arithmetic operators play a very important role as Excel doesn't read formulas from left to right. Rather, take the strict order of operations. In this movie, we will have discussion around different operators and demonstrate how they work within formulas. Further, we will also discuss comparison operators such as greater than, less than, or equal to. There is an order of precedence. They start with minus sign used for negation and can occur at the start of an expression. Then we have percentage sign used to indicate a percentage, followed by a caret, which you can type as by pressing shift plus 6 key together. That indicates an exponent. So 3 caret 4 is equals to 3 to the power 4. Then the asterisk sign and forward slash used to indicate multiplication and division sign. Finally, plus and minus used to indicate addition and subtraction. A quick note that minus sign can be used for negation at start of expression or subtraction within an expression. Also, parenthesis can change the order of operation. Now let's say if we take this expression 2 plus 3 into 4, currently its result would be 3 into 4 12 plus 2 14. But if we use parenthesis, we will first add 2 plus 3, which is 5, multiplied by 4 and comes out to be 20. Comparison operators. You can interpret this as reading from left to right. Sideways V is wider on left and narrower to a point on right. So, a value on left would be greater than right. And it's vice versa. It checks whether a value on right would be greater than the value in left. This sign indicates greater than equal to. It checks if a value is greater than or equal to another. And similarly, less than equal to, which checks if a value is less than or equal to another. Equal to sign. In some programming languages, there are two equal to sign to check if value is equal, but in Excel, there is only one. Finally, less than sign followed by greater than checks if value is not equal to another. Each of these operations return value, true or false. So let's switch over to Excel and see how operators work within Excel. Currently, I have switched over to Excel. I am using the operators workbook, which you can find in chapter 1 folder of your exercise files collection. I am on the arithmetic worksheet and we will discuss some examples. To check for negative sign, type equal to followed by minus if we want the minus sign to occur in the first position. To represent value as percentage, type equal to 100 multiplied by 20%, which is 20. The caret represents exponent, so 2 to the power 3 should be 8. The asterisk and forward slash, as discussed, are used to indicate multiplication and division. So 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 should give us 3. And then plus and minus sign used to indicate addition and subtraction. So 2 plus 3 minus 4, it should be 1. If one of your formula returns unexpected result, then order of operations and parenthesis is a great place to start looking. Now let's switch over to comparison worksheet. So is 2 greater than 3? The answer should be false. Yes. Similarly, is 3 less than 4? True. So similarly, We can use these operators to find if a certain expression is greater than equal to or not equal to. So that's it from this tutorial. I hope you are able to understand the order of precedence, its importance, and comparison operators as well.